love you! Yeah! Yeah! So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kalsada ng Charis Eme. Nandito tayo sa filming location ng head to head. Nawala sa isip na kung ano. Yan yung poste na yan. Eto, dito yung poste kung saan nabangga si Jerome. Na dapat mababangga din si Jill. Sa future. Basta yun. Ayun, itong poste na to mismo. Ayan. Ayan, siya. Ang galing guys kasi wala pala talaga siyang kwarto doon. So, bali, ginawan lang nila ng maliit na kwarto si Jin. Ito yung view na... taray! Hey besties, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Tanwa The Food Project and ito ay filming location ng head-to-head series ng Sikin that is currently ongoing, Sikin and Serbia. So ito yung ginamit nila as shop ng mother ni Jin. So, ayan siya. And it's, in real life, it's a cafe. Not really a cafe, parang kasi may din sila mga main dish. So more like a resto cafe. So, kakain tayo. Ito yung in-order ko. I have the Blue Nebula for drink. And then for food, I have burger stick, curry. Ganun. So, tara kain tayo. Masarap yung kape nila. Ito yung mocha nila, dark roast. Kasi may medium roast sila, pero mas gusto kong matapang. At masarap siya. Doon kung masyado naman kayo natapangan, may sugar naman pa sila ibibigay. But I don't think I need that because masarap na siya in fairness. Yeah.
pertama dengan เธอจะคนใจร้ายที่มันยังคอยไม่ขอบคุณยังไม่พอใช่ไหมบอกว่า
ยิ้มไปกันในใจฉันสั่นเรื่องที่ว่ายังคือเธออยู่ตรงนั้นโทษที่เธอไม่มาทำให้ฉันรักจะรักผิดชอบกันได้เปล่า
Sir, I love you. Yeah. Yeah.
No one can love you like I do. So baby, think it through. For years and years I
Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Central World. It's 7:50 p.m. May event si Pond ng 8 p.m. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan yung venue. So hinahanap ko pa siya. Pero for sure may kita natin yan si Pond. Hindi tayo papayag na hindi. Let's go.